Hey, what's up, fool? Lauren Leslie here. Thanks so much for watching this video. In this video, I am painting in my sketchbook some different kinds of florals that I hope will get picked up for art licensing. Now, I am a licensed artist, if you guys don't know me yet, and art licensing is when you can license your designs to a company and then collect a royalty on whatever products sell that have your artwork on them. So in this little sketchbook painting, I am painting with acrylic paints, and I'm just trying to kind of position some of these florals in a nice composition so that they have some dynamic movement throughout the canvas. I have already kind of established my color palette for these paintings, and I've actually matched them to a Pantone palette. So if you are wondering how you can match acrylic paints to Pantone colors, then check out this other video here that I have all about how to do that. So when you're using kind of the same color florals, you kind of want to position them kind of at a dynamic or diagonal position throughout the composition. That way your eye still sort of moves around the canvas, and I just want to kind of darken up some of these leaves a little bit more. I'm trying so hard to have a daily practice of painting, but it's been really difficult to stick to that. But I'm hoping in 2020 I'll be able to cultivate more of a daily painting practice, at least during the work week. But I was not successful with this in 2019. So I'm just painting this background a kind of nice minty blue color. And again, I already kind of established this color palette, but I think it's looking really nice and helping these kind of warm colors pop quite a bit. So I just want to add a little bit more details to some of these florals, kind of fill in some of the center areas and add some more kind of smaller blooms. Again, sort of at this diagonal, so they're kind of contrasting against each other. And then here we have three florals that kind of help your eye move across the canvas in this sort of triangular movement with this sort of peachy creamy floral here. I want to make the center of these a little bit different as well, and I'm just going to finish filling in this blue background a little bit. And you know, the thing I love about acrylic paints is that you can continue to paint on top if you make a mistake. It's not like watercolors where it's really difficult to kind of erase and you can't really cover it up, but with acrylic I can just paint right on top of, you know, some of these florals, and I don't really like what I did there, so I think I'm going to cover it up in just a minute. But there we go. So I'm just going to cover that up because I didn't like what I did, and otherwise the whole painting would have been ruined, right? So that's what I really love about acrylics, is that I can just kind of improvise while I'm painting. I don't have to have the entire thing super planned out before I do it. I have an idea of what I want to do, but you know, I didn't plan to have these kind of little small creamy blooms in the beginning, but it just kind of needed something extra. So guys, I really appreciate you watching me paint, and if you want to see more videos like this from me, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the little bell so that you get notified every time I come out with a new video. I am on Instagram at Lauren Leslie Studio, so make sure to follow me there as well. And if you would like to join the Design Tribe Facebook group or listen to the Design Tribe podcast, you are welcome to tune in there as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this sketch. Leave me a comment if you liked it, and if you're going to try to start painting in your sketchbook as well in 2020. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.